Okay, so today I want to go over how do you add an automatic post-processing step on a GE 23 and up X software. So first, you find what you want, and whenever you see one of these little icons, it signifies that something is already there that is being post-processed. So you want to see what it is, we're just going to click on it, plus, and you can see this is what's being done. So to add a step, you will highlight what you want, you would add a task, and you would add a post-processing step. Then here you can pick what exactly you want to happen. So let's say we ran an axial here, 3D, and we wanted it to reconstruct, into, let's say, a sagittal and a coronal plane. So we could go here, we can then click setup, and then in this screen, we can rename what we want this to call, the task description. We can come down here and we can make it automatically. We can use the same field of view. We can say, I want to do a sagittal, I want to do a coronal. We can edit the name that comes out when we're done with it. So we can call this a sagittal if we wanted to, like recon. Okay, if I can spell. And then we could do the same thing to coronal if we wanted to. You can tell the direction that you want it to be. You can do the spacing that you want it to be, thickness that you want it to be here, okay? And then once you hit accept, that will apply it there. Now, if you don't want it or you want to get rid of it, you just right click on your mouse and then you just literally cut. Right click and cut, and that's how you get rid of it. Now, likewise, on a DWI, you can do the same thing. Add a task, add the post-processing step here, and for this one, you see the options that will come specifically with that. So let's do this, DWI. So if we wanted to create an automatic ADC map, for example, so you come here, you choose your map, you choose your threshold noise, and then you hit accept. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's how you create a auto processing step. Now, just to let you know, it's different things on our systems that do different processing. So for example, you could go in, add a sequence. We could go into, let's say for example, MRI neck or something like that, right? And so let's say we had an MRI neck and we wanted to add a post-processing step to that. Okay, and let's say you wanted it to MIP for you. So you can add a post-processing. You can say, oh, I wanted to do a MIP for me. And so you could tell it which way you want it to MIP. Automatically, you can say use a scan. You could say you wanted to rotate right to left. You could say you want to do a tumble. You can put in the number of views that you want as well, right here. All right, so that's how you do that. And you could also edit what that is too. So you can say tumble, you can say left or right, okay? So that's where it is, and that's how you do it on the 23X GE system. All right, guys, bye.